One of the things that I've noticed in terms of the advantages of co-op from working with students come back, like yourselves, to the college and classes is the confidence. I mean, look at all of you, like just looking so professional and so competent and looking like stars in the field. Hi there, welcome to Career Talk and Success Stories. Really excited to have 4 students in the Hospitality Management Diploma and the Post-Degree Tourism Management program talking to us about your experiences with your Co-op and Internship work term courses. My name is Sarah Joy Kallos. I'm the Co-op Internship Coordinator for Hospitality and Tourism and Arts and Science. I manage the program, but I also am an instructor with hospitality and teaching the Hospitality Career Skills course.
So I'm Breyn. My co-op this year I was working with Orca Spirit Adventures, which is a local whale watching and ecotourism company. Mm-hmm. I started off as a sales and reservations agent and then transitioned into an office supervisor role.
My name is Ayush Chhetri. I'm working at the Western Bear Mountain Hotel. My first co-op position was room attendant. Then they hired me as a part-time. And then my second co-op position was the house person, and now I am an interim supervisor.
My name is Katie, Kwanruthai Sumongkoljaroen. I am in Hospitality Management Program Diploma. I work at Malahat Skywalk as a guest service agent and Skywalk attendant.
My name is Akarsh and I'm from post-graduation diploma of Tourism and Hospitality Management. I'm currently working as a part-time in interim dining, and I did my co-op as an interim dining server in Delta Ocean Point Resort, which is owned by a Marriott.
I do want to mention to our audience, like hospitality and tourism programs, they are the only programs here at the college that have mandatory co-op. Yes, you are doing a mandatory co-op program, but what are some of the advantages in terms of doing that work term where you were supported by someone from the college, but also your work supervisor?
You can say it's one of the best opportunity to start a career, especially if you're new to the industry, because you will be getting 2 of the experienced people helping you out, either be it your manager or your co-op instructor, who can give you a lot of insight on the industry and different situation, how to handle certain things, either it be on the customer front or by staff to staff. Interdepartmental communication is also a very important aspect in hospitality.
Just kind of jumping off of that, I found as well with the co-ops that it gives you an environment where it's safe, it's okay to make a mistake because you are supported by so many people, either directly through your co-op facilitator or an on-site sort of supervisor, but also, like you said, your peer-to-peer connections as well. Like you can really build your toolbox through doing co-ops.
I have more experience about co-op work from this program because I am an international student, and I now have the idea for work here. But co-op works is just open opportunity for the student to familiar about the people, learn about the culture.
Because through hospitality and tourism, we're working with people at all times. So it's like understanding the history of the land or the people of where we are, but also with so many people visiting from all over the world. Most of your co-op experience involved working with a variety and interacting with a variety of guests. What key factors do you believe are most crucial for making the best impression and creating that rapport with those individuals?
Be friendly. First impression is the smile, being helpful for them.
In terms of working with people from all over the world, how do you adapt in that way of having different requests and having to problem solve with people from different places in the world?
The main factor would be communicating with the other departments so that you can fulfill the requirements. For example, if a guest comes in with a special request or they have allergy, we need to know from the front desk. So we go to the front desk, we ask if there is something wrong with the guest, do they need something, any special request. If you don't communicate, there's gonna be lots of mistakes, and especially in a fast-paced hotel chains.
Right, really good listening and observation skills,
of course.
When interacting with a diverse clientele, you're promoting tours, selling packages, and there's an aspect of personalization there. What approach do you take in terms of making that the most fruitful and adaptive with the guests that you serve?
I always approach guest focused, not sales focused. When I'm guest focused, I'm always asking lots of questions where I'm not just asking to go, okay, what product can I match this person to? I'm asking because I genuinely want to know,
Right.
why are they in Victoria? What are you interested in? Where have you come from? Because then I can take that, being knowledgeable about the local area, and go, oh, okay, you love horticulture, cool. Well, I have a Butchart Gardens and whale watching package. Let's get you set up with
Right.
that. They know when you're just trying to make a sale versus when you're genuinely trying to understand them and match them to the right thing.
Thank you all for coming in and sharing your experience with your co-op, and also encouraging students that are considering doing this as well. And I also lastly want to thank the MakerSpace. Thank you all.